Apfel Dr. Germany. Good morning. My name is Ben. Hello and welcome to the Micro Soldering Show. And today in the morning we just start by this iPhone X. Is it X or XS? iPhone XS, which was laying in the sea, and the customer needs the really important data out of this phone. So he was already at an Apple store and they said, no, it's just not possible. You can't get the data out of this phone. You can only change the phone into another one, but you can't get data out of it. So let's see if Apple talked shit on, or if the Apple store talked shit or not. Okay, let's see. We just open the device and try to get the important data out of the phone. Just need my tools for work. Okay, it wasn't opened, I think, because it's really glued hard. Or they renewed the glue, I don't know. No, I think it wasn't open before. This was my iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, we want to get the important data out of this phone. Okay. Not bad so far. Okay, we have no short. What about the boot? Oh, okay. When we try to boot, we get about 1.7 amps. Could be short on a NAND cap. Okay, let's see. That's an interesting error on this iPhone XS, which we have here for data recovery. So now at first, we just need to disconnect all the FPCs here. Okay. After that, we just need to get out the screws so we can take out the board. And then just easy peasy getting out the board. Okay, let's see by our eyes what we can see under the microscope. And what did I say? I think it could be a cap next beside to the NAND. And that's the point where I see the corrosion. So I'm pretty sure when I now take the thermal imager, we will see something there. So let's take the thermal imager. So by the way, if you need an adapter for the SIG like this, just message me and you will get one, no problem. So, okay, we put it off. And I'm pretty sure to find something here. Do you see that? It's just great. iPhone XS shorted cap next beside to the NAND after Waterdamage. So no boot, 1.7 amps on power up, and no reaction at all. So what we can do now is just easy peasy. It's really easy peasy. We need to get off the overflow here. And I just need a board holder. What about that one here? We can place it here. I think that should be okay in that way. And now I just use a small amount of hot air to lose the glue. And the shorted cap should be that one as far as I remember. Okay? So let's see. What about the boot now? And the short has been gone and the device boots again. I just take a screen. One moment. I hope this screen here works. You see, even on iPhone X or XS, you can find errors like this really fast. It's not a problem to solve them in the same speed as on the iPhone 7 or iPhone 6 or iPhone 8. That's just not a problem. Okay. Just need to see if the screen is okay. Because it's a water damaged screen and I don't know if it works. So we have a boot, but I don't see anything at this screen. So I think this is a bad screen. What about this screen here? Just give me a second for checking screens. Yeah, it works. So we go straight to the on hands. I just connect the touch to and boom! We are back to life again with our iPhone XS after water damage laying at the bottom of the sea. Not much water came in, like you see. It's a really good water protected phone, but it's not safe of water. So we only had a little bit of corrosion at one capacitor next beside to the NAND. So you can't boot the device anymore. It's just getting hot. You get no boot at all. It just doesn't work anymore at all, and you can't get to the data. And that's a really amazing thing. If you know how to solve these problems in a really fast way, you can just knock off the cap. And okay, we got a touch problem here too, so let's see that. I think it's only the screen for the touch problem. I get another one, 1 second. So it's a soft copy OLED, you can get it at Obseco. It's really great quality. X and XS you can use for test because only the frame is different. So it's not a problem to use an iPhone XS screen here for test. Okay. So now let's check if the touch works. If not, we will solve that too. Not a problem. But I think because of the water damage, you see corrosion here at the back side of the screen. Could be just a broken screen. Yeah, but you see, you can solve these errors fast, so the device boots again and you can just get the important data. And you see, the touch works. Just a broken screen on top. So no problem at all. We just now get the important data. I'm sure we will have corrosion on the Face ID. Yes, I see it here too. So when we connect Face ID, the device won't start. But it's only the rescue job, because when water comes into to the device, and even if we see only a capacitor next beside to the NAND, if you want to repair that, you have to separate the board to have a close look everywhere and then to decide what to do. Okay, but normally data rescue water damages are only data rescues, and so I won't do any repairs at that. It's just a data rescue job. The customer gets back his important data. You see, jobs like this are really good and make really happy, because you have a fast result and it's done, and the customer will be happy with the important data. So I think a short but a nice video. I hope you like it too. If you want to learn things like that, you can easily do that at the Board Level Repair School Germany. And if you're working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can easily join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. Please answer the questions, otherwise you get declined. We had a lot of people who would like to join the last days, but often they just didn't answer the questions, so we can't accept you. Please join again, answer the questions, and after that it's no problem. If you want to buy an ICC, iCheck Charge, just check iCheckCharge.com. Yeah, I'm out. I hope we see us with the next video. I hope you like it. Give me thumbs up. Yeah, I'm out. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben.